is a fire fairy. Beatrix is a thunder fairy. Aisha is a water fairy. And together, they are Winx Club. Fairies, we're starting our practical magic class. Show me your magic in action. Girls, let's begin. Watch closely. There's a task for you too. Thunder power! Come on! Ah, it's easy! I'll control water. Whoops! I went overboard on it. Awesome! Now I'll try. Something's wrong. Yeah, I did it! Miss Dowling! It worked! Let's see. I don't see any fire. But it was just here. I'll show you. Why isn't it working? Come on. Sorry, Miss Dowling. It was an accident. Bloom, your result isn't good enough. It's not funny at all. So much for friendship. I'm just as good. I also want to have a BFF and hang out with her during breaks. Aisha, I have to be in your spot. Here. Let's have lunch. We're gonna be late. Don't rush. This is nice too. Cut lightning bolts out of glittery sticker foam paper. Attach a magnet to the sticky side. Connect 2 pieces. I can't move! Beatrix, help me! Bloom! Help! Bloom, let's have lunch together. Aisha had a change of plans. Really? Whoa! What an amazing hair color! Who will be answering first? Aisha! Use your water power. That's easy. Here. Well done. Great. And now Bloom. Go ahead. Hold on. Just a second. Here. Draw flames on a ruined notebook cover. Cut along the outline. Cover it with primer. Color so it looks like fire. Add a glittery outline. Whoa! What an amazing notebook! You deserve the best grade! Beatrix! I'm a little nervous! Lightning, go! Hold on! I'll show you some electricity right now! Static! See? Nice try, but that's not magic. Try harder! We'll be learning harmony today. This is the foundation of fairies' power. Magic works wonders. Cut the narrow part with the thread off a plastic bulb. Cut the tip off a little funnel. Connect it to another funnel and put it in the bulb. Put kinetic sand into another bulb. Make an hourglass. Decorate the joint with foam paper. Cut 2 round strands out of styrofoam. Polish them with sandpaper. Make a hollow in the center with a router cutter. Set up 3 bamboo sticks. Paint. And the other stand. Put it in the hourglass. Fasten it in the hollow. Put beads onto the ends of the sticks. How did she do that? I can't believe it! Whoa! It's probably a trick from the internet. Your time starts now. Begin! What? Now? A task? I know how to handle it. I just need to hide my headphone well. Wrong line. I'll erase the mark with my magical ring. Trace a ring template on an eraser. Cut it out. Polish the edges with a router cutter. Cut in a hollow so it looks like Aisha's ring. Paint the top. It's so beautiful! What's that noise? Oh. Someone is telling Beatrix the right answers to the test. Levitation is anti-gravity mode wherein an object hovers in space. That's cheating! Miss Dowling, look at Beatrix! Beatrix, what's going on? Cheating in class? Get out! What? Here you go, Aisha! If I'm not taking the test, you aren't either! Hey! What was that? I completed the tasks! Our class is over! Let's take a break! Yay! A break!
Oh, wow!
It's time to have fun! Not now, Beatrix! I want to finish a new Troom video! Selfie time! Beatrix, you don't fit into the shot! Why are these fairies so boring? They don't want to have fun with me! Fine! I always wanted to sit at the teacher's desk! It's cool here!
Wow!
What a cool lamp! What is this? Chair race! Whee! What else should I do? A marker! Of course! We don't need this anymore! Now we need fairy wings! Awesome! It's perfect for a selfie! Beatrix, what are you up to? Get rid of all this before Miss Dowling comes back! Bloom, what's going on? That's unacceptable! I just wanted to fix it! Oh no! Aisha, we need water magic! Bloom can't control her magic yet! What was that? My magic worked!
Oops.
We're taking a test today! You have 15 minutes! Oh no! Why? I am so nervous! I'm even getting sweaty! Oh no! Aisha is too sweaty, and her paper is ruined! Miss Dowling, Aisha needs a new paper! Oops. Aisha, learn to control your magic!
Oops.
Don't drown this test! Aisha, this is for you! A stress reliever! It'll help you relax! Take 2 thick plastic cups. Attach foam paper to the bottom of the smaller one. Glue it into the big cup. Pour colored water in between the cups. Add fragrance oils. Fasten a plastic top with multi-purpose glue. Decorate with foam paper. Whoa! Thanks! Seriously? It's amazing! I love it! Now I'm calm! I'll be sitting here today! What?
Hey.
Okay. Class, we're taking the final exam. Great! I came prepared! Put a printed paper in a clear folder. Trace formulas and wings with a permanent marker. Remove the template and put in yellow foam paper so the words are invisible. I just need some white paper and I have all the formulas I need. Bloom, I have a great cheat sheet. Whoa! Here you go. Thanks. Oh, it's Beatrix.
Oh.
No way! No one will separate me and Aisha. I don't need cheat sheets. Oh no, she found the pic. Hi, bestie. Hello. No cheating. And you, did you get the word fate? Did you like our video? Then comment below who you liked the most. Bloom, Beatrix, or Aisha. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.